लेकिन अगर हम चले गए तो ये सॉलिड सनसेट मिस हो जाएगा ना। जितना भी ट्राई करो बनी, लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही। तो जहाँ है वहीं का मजा लेते हैं।
Adi was supposed to come like an hour prior. Now we are gonna miss the sunset.
She might watch this too. That's again. Oh my. Are you mad?
Stop it!
Oh my god.
Adi, no!
Doon उड़ रहे हैं. Hey बहन.
गिरेगा तो तू गिरेगा.
बहन. He's taking close up.
कहाँ क्लोजअप है ये?
बस कर. चला जाता है, फिफ्थ चला जाता है. फिर आधा करके. What is your problem? What is your problem? Thank you for having me on your show, Ritika.
I am absolutely delighted to have you here.
I always dreamt of being on a show. And it's finally happening.
How do you
Abandoned
feel?
terrace in Ahmedabad, where usually people get killed. I've
Is
never
it?
been more honored. And I honestly think
That you're gonna cry. Do you need some tissues? We don't have tissues. Have little hearts. Adi and I have been friends for almost 5 years now. 5 years? Maybe more than that. You're probably the only friend that I have where I laugh at any time about anything. I don't know if that's healthy at this point, but I don't remember a single moment where I haven't had a good time when I'm with Adi.
likewise. मुझे वेफर दो कोई. I remember when I was in Poda, I was alone and she was the only friend I had. I don't know why she did that.
Why I did what?
If I were you, I would never be friends with me. Imagine a big kid with, tucking in his shirt and all. That shirt
Shit.
का वो last size था, ठीक है? And I had to get it in because my school started in like 2 days. इतना टाइट था, बाप रे. हमारे स्कूल में एक योगा मैम, वो योगा मैम आंटी थी. वो योगा के नाम पे सबको अपने अपने बेंच पे सुलाती थी. She used to say head down, then she used to play some random Russian music. After 45 minutes, like wake up. What kind of yoga is this? I mean, I enjoyed it.
Crazy days, man. Whoa! He
Fireworks.
missed the fireworks! What are
This is the favorite part of this video for me.
Food?
Refill मिलेगा?
Of course, yes. He got it for himself. I have not spent a single rupee on any of this. Can I have the other one?
Are you mad?
What are you trying to do, brother?
I got you something. You wanted that.
Oh, thank you. This is prettier. I stole one of these. Adi has a habit of stealing things. Every time he'll see you, he'll take something. He steals things from everybody. Every single one.
सबसे ज़्यादा लेकिन प्रियांशु के घर.
Bichara.
I just wore some lip balm to see if it tastes better, and it did.
It did? Why don't you put some in it?
I think that's the difference between us. If someone fails me like more than 2-3 times, I don't go after that person. It's not worth it.
I want
Maybe
to learn
it's like
that.
one-sided. No, I honestly think you are better. It's not about second chances. It's about giving time.
If I have to choose person over argument, I'll always choose a person. I'm gonna let you down more than 3 times and you'll be like, who is she? I don't know her.
I mean, I called you. 15 days, I was just feeling mad at you. Why don't you call me? Checking in on each other is important.
For me, it has never been how consistently and how regularly we talk. Even after like 3 years, if we come back and we're like, oh, hi, Adi, that hi is gonna be genuine. I know that. No matter what you do. There we go.
I
Yes,
swallowed
we
a
heard
fucking
something.
insect.
Yeah, you want some water? There's some water.
भाई ये टंकी है ये क्या है? ये तेरा कैमरा मैन क्लोजअप बहुत लेता है यार.
Do you think friendship has an expiry date?
I think that's a horrible question, Hitika. What the hell?
Yeah, that's how I want to end the video. Just tell me.
No. A friendship expires when there is no effort.
You just started the video saying that our friendship is zero efforts.
Yeah. Oh, shit! I got it. So,
Tell me. Tell me, Adi.
I'm thinking, give me a fucking second.
Once we are done with the drama,
Give me a second. What do you want me to say?
whatever you
Just
want to
tell
say.
me the script. I'll tell her. Tell in the camera. Tell.
I don't have a script.
Oh my fucking god. Abhi, I will give difficult question. You answer. So Hitika, when did you know in our friendship that this was for the long run?
There was no specific time when I felt like, oh, this is gonna be forever. But through every difficulty, I have felt like not letting it go. So eventually, it has added to how far we have come. I feel like the core, the roots of this friendship is very strong
Yeah.
and goes back to school days. The things we bonded over back then, I don't
The
think we
garbage.
can bond over it right now.
Are you mad?
Like who
Did you
you
go
were
garbage hunting with me or not?
with you? Yes, because of all the time that we have had now. To growing up,
No. Cheers to not growing up.
just to growing up.
Being childish. अगर ये टूटा यही तो फेंकती मुझे. You know why I like you?
No.
It's fucking hard to find real people. And also I feel like Hitika, like you don't judge, and I can be my truest self with you. And I don't know how many people I would know like that. I can compare it to the other friendships that I have, where in certain places I have to filter myself. But I think with you, I can be say whatever I want.
Yeah, we have laughed about things that are inappropriate in a way that I cannot even say. Such horrible, devastating, harsh
We don't
things.
judge each other, but we judge other people.
Yeah.
So that is the equation.
Yeah. Amazing.
Suddenly I see your Instagram story, you're in Rajasthan. You didn't even tell me. And I had to find out as randomly.
I don't tell anybody what I'm doing next. I don't even tell myself what I'm doing next. What's the future equation of this? What do you think?
मेरी शादी में तू नाचेगी.
Okay, anything else? Who are you getting married to though? You haven't told me that.
नसीब में लिखा ही नहीं है यार. Love. Moti.
Are you not seeing yourself in the mirror?
वो डिशम आवाज आ रहा है. Can you do this?
Yeah. It does not look like yours.
यहाँ से तो कैसे फेंकने का मन कर रहा है.